magical place where machines gleam with wheels that spin and engines that roar. Come along, let's explore more. Cars, cars, zooming all around. On the roads and streets they're always found. With a beep beep here and a honk honk there, we'll drive together everywhere. Keep them melody lively and fun. Some cars are big like a giant whale. Others are small like a speedy snail. But whether they're fast or cruising slow, each one has its special glow. Get the kids clapping and singing.